Do you got an E46 M3? Are your exhaust hangers cracked? For $5 you can fix them. That exhaust hanger was cracked. Not anymore. All right guys, so we just got back. I'm gonna try and beat the sun here as quickly as possible, and it's pretty easy. So what we're gonna do is jack the car up from the rear. There's like a little V-brace back there with a circle. We're gonna look from there. We're gonna put two 3-ton jacks, one on each side. I've got this Permatex, right? I'm gonna try to make this like a pseudo, like polyurethane hanger of sorts. Fix. Look, that's how brand new it is it's still put together. Thankfully this piece is still kind of there, but we're gonna fill all these voids in here. But hopefully once you fill all this in, it should kind of glue it back together, sort of.
We don't have to get a new one?
Maybe when I hit that 1,000 subscribers, I'll get a workstation or something like that, but we're close. I don't exactly drive this car really soft either, so that would kind of be the ultimate test, is how does it deal with me driving the car?
Question. Are we doing the one on the left side? I'm assuming there's a corresponding one.
There's multiple ones.
Oh.
But before I do that, I want to see if this even works, right?
Good.
So, and there was nothing here on this side, so that one, well, let's double check, because I'll be able to see, possibly. See, what stinks is the exhaust hangers, there's two of them right here. So you've got to take this out so that you don't damage things.
Wait, so the bumper comes off?
No, it's just like this lower valance cover.
Call it bumper 2.0.
I want a carbon fiber one in the worst way. Hint, hint. But yeah, I'll check this later.
So how many in there are in there?
3.
Where do they hide the third one? In the middle?
There's 2 on this side. 2 on this side, but only 1 on that side. If there were 2 on that side, I doubt it'd be a problem.
See, engineering fail.
Yep. And I don't know. I'm just kind of figuring this out, guys. I don't really know. And then maybe to keep that from sticking, we'll put that there. And then hopefully I only need 1. We'll see. Upside down. Blah, blah. Yeah, this will work. I'm going to cut it really big because I don't really care about it being at an angle or something like that, right? So if I was sealing an oil pan or something like that, I would cut a V, and then the V would make a channel and it'd make a real nice smooth line. But for here, I'm not really worried about that.
What are you using?
Just an RTV. It's just a silicone kind of. And it might actually take me longer than today, just because there's so much to fill.
Oh, I see what you're trying to fill in all of that?
Yeah. Let me get a scraper. This might actually take a couple days. We'll see. It's a lot to fill. Actually, I think what I could do is I can start filling in here on these sides. And then here too. And who knows? Maybe I don't need to do the whole thing.
Yeah, are you trying to do all that?
Well, I originally was, but then I don't know that I really need to. I think all I really need to do is just fill these like high priority type spots. Okay, so there is a right and a wrong way to install this. What I did was I looked it up on some like E46 fanatics forums, stuff like that. Get distracted really easy. It's a Porsche Macan, brand new one. So this hole here goes to the front, and then this bracket is on the outside, so it should face this way. I suspect, I didn't look at the orientation when I removed this, and maybe if I go back to the footage, it'll show us. It could be that I installed this incorrectly. But as you can tell, I installed most of the voids here, and I used what I had, right? I could have filled in this space here as well, but this is where the most damage can occur. Not so much here, but I did put a little bit in here to reinforce. I'm gonna suck it up and say I probably messed up on this one. And there's a high probability that I did, and that's okay. The nuts are slightly different. There's 3 nuts, and they're actually all different. There's 2, this one that goes to the top, that goes on the side. This bolt has to slide in like that first. See the shitty like cut job on the exhaust? It's so annoying right here. It's so embarrassing with these tips moved out so much farther than they should be. I am curious how this will hold. We'll see if it'll lock against itself. Sometimes it will. So far, so good. Nice, actually. Using my little stubby 13. That should hold. Okay, done. Garage floor life, man. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, hope you liked this video. If you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. We're getting closer. We're almost to 800. If you have any comments, drop them in the comment section. If you guys want to know how this has stood the test of time, maybe what I'll do is I'll let it cure for another day or so. We'll test drive it. And then maybe every couple days I'll pop it up, take a look, and then I'll post a follow-up video, just a quick follow-up video on how it did. So stay tuned for that one. So thanks for watching, guys.